Hi, good day everyone. I am Johan, introducing Canon award-winning imageRUNNER Advanced, or also known as iR-Advanced series. It's easy to use and has advanced scanning functionality and a robust set of security features designed to support any organization through their digital transformation journey. Let's see what it can do. This is the control panel. It has an adjustable tilt, and the user interface is similar to a smartphone or tablet. Home screen has the timeline function where you can recall the latest 10 jobs. You can enhance device security by using PIN code and access card to prevent unauthorized access to the device. Discover an easier and smarter way to streamline work processes. Secure Print Anywhere allows you to print at any iR-Advanced series devices. Scan to Myself will send your documents to your email with one click. You can also print and scan from your mobile devices. Hey Johan, can you help me copy these receipts? But they're kind of blur and a little small. No worries, let me show you how to do it. First, place your receipt in the paper feeder or on the platen glass. On the menu, select Density to increase visibility of your receipt. Then, you can enlarge your receipt by adjusting the copy ratio or paper size. Wow! So easy! Thanks, Johan! No problem, man!
Johan, this is a confidential document that I want to copy, and then I want to put a watermark on it. Do you think you can help me?
Aha, sure, no problem. Place your document in the paper feeder or on the platen glass. Select Watermark in the Copy menu and choose your preferred watermark type, or you can customize it in text. You can adjust position, size, color, input page numbering, and print dates. Then, press Start to begin your copy.
Oh, okay. And then what if I want to copy the ID card?
It's simple. Choose ID card and follow the steps shown on the control panel accordingly.
Thank you, Johan. Please keep this a secret, okay?
Delighting you always.
Johan, help me, Johan. This document is stressing me out. I wanted to make a copy and remove all the blank pages.
Chill, man. Let me guide you. First, separate the thick cover and put it on the platen glass. Press the Options button, then select Two-Sided, Job Build, and skip blank pages. Then, press the Start button. Once the device has completed scanning the cover page, you may insert the rest of the document in the paper feeder and press Start again. You get it?
Yes, this makes my job so easy. Thanks, Johan.
In this device, we have other functions like Collate, Staple, Eco Staple, Staple on Demand, Punch Hole, Rotate 90 degrees, and Saddle Fold. This further improves your workflow and efficiency. Yo, Brother Joe! This photo right here, this is my masterpiece. I want to copy this to the client, but I don't want to show them this part right here, you know? What can I do? No worries, bro. With this device, you can do simple editing by using area designation. After scanning your artwork, select the specific area to erase, then select blanking, and start your copy. Nice! This is definitely faster than I thought. Yes, it is! I want to print my bank statement, but the device is too far. What if somebody mistakenly took it or looked at it? Hey boss, if you have a confidential document, you can use the Secure Print setting. First, you can set your PIN number to secure your printing job. Now, you're ready to print. At the device, enter your PIN code to release your documents. Wow! This function is really useful. Now I don't have to worry anymore. Thanks, Johan.
You're welcome, boss.
Johan, I lost a soft copy of this document. Now I have to type all over again. Wasting time now like this. You help me, can or not?
Relax, ma'am. I have a solution for you.
We have OCR functions that can extract content from your hard copy easily. Then, it will create a soft copy for you.
Wow, this device really saved my life, lah. Thank you, Johan.
Sure it is.
Some other functions available for scanning are Divide into pages, Skip blank pages, Job build, Different size originals, Scan to pen drive, Mailbox, and Advanced box.
Oh man, they just revised the plans. Now I have to print it out again. I'm already so late. Hey, actually, you can print from your mobile. It's fast and easy.
Just use your Canon Print Business app on your mobile device. Scan the QR code shown in the control panel. Select your document on your mobile device to start printing. Your file can either be from your mobile device or cloud storage.
Fantastic! Thanks, Johan. Anytime. Good luck with your project.
This mobile function is available for scanning as well. You can also scan and save your document into cloud storage. This is Status Monitor, where you can quickly check your print status, fax sending and receiving status, and usage history. It also enables you to check the amount of remaining paper, toner, and the error status. In the event of low toner, paper jammed, or any troubleshooting, you can refer to the Canon walkthrough video that is accessible from the control panel. With all the guidances, I hope that you can maximize your usage with our Canon IR Advanced series.
For more information, please contact Canon Customer Care Line at 1-800-18-2000 or directly channel it to our website.
Thank you, and goodbye for now.
Canon, delighting you always.